Wow. All hail the great Anthony Miller there. All right, guys, when we return from this break, it's something to smile about. Stay with us. All right, so the challenge today is look at the two pics on the screen. It's not roll out just yet. And guess the name of the pic. Well, guess the name the pic both have in common. Something like so, right?
What you say, Adam?
We don't know. We're just going to look at something and we're going to, know the name of it because it's what them have the same thing in the common.
Then right, that cool. You should have said long time.
Okay, fine.
Run it. Produce.
Yellow man. Should be yellow yam. But
oh wow, yellow.
Okay, yellow man.
Look at you.
I got it though.
Yellow.
Okay.
This is really interesting. Okay, Penny. Oh, green.
Hulk.
What do you call that?
Incredible Hulk. Incredible green person. I don't know.
He's from the Incredibles.
The Incredible. And then he's Incredible Hulk.
So
says it. They're both incredible people.
Yeah.
Okay.
Gotcha. Did you see the rules at the beginning? Did you see the guy at the beginning? Let's start again. Violence. That's Buster and Buster. Yeah. Yo. Wait. Pause. You see that lady who had the surgery with the root canal and the tree this morning we talk about? That could easily have been me. Yo, these things are dangerous here. A Buster is not a joke. Children, don't try it at home. You never eat a Buster yet?
No, I'm saying I wonder if Buster ever had a Buster.
Your man, then he couldn't rap again. Give me some more. He wasn't talking about Buster. Them something there are injurious to your root canals.
No, man, I tell you.
Buster and Staggerback?
They don't make them the same anymore, though. That's for sure.
And Jackass Khan?
No, Jackass Khan, they don't make that. They don't
Jackass Khan, you have to soak it first.
You have to soak it first and soften it, and then you bite into it. Anyways.
Anyway. Kyle, do you know what a Staggerback is?
Julie Mango. Julie.
And Julie Andrews.
And Julie's. The Julies.
Yeah. This is cute.
The Julies. Yeah.
Julia Bodley. You look so pretty in that picture, girlie.
Oh, she's so awesome.
Merry Christmas. Happy holidays to you, sweet girl. Okay, who's next? Quenchinella. Screw.
Screw.
That is Screw. So Screw is in
No.
No?
Is it Screw?
Wait, Nuts. That's Nuts. That's Professor
Exactly.
Nuts. Okay. Wait. Guys, can we redo that entire moment? Is that gonna live in the history of television forever? We didn't do that. Listen. But Deb was with me, Before I corrected myself, Deb was with me. Nuts. Professor Nuts. And Nuts and Bolt. Oh God, I can see this on TikTok right now. And Instagram. It was Debbie. Not we knew it was you. Never mind. It's early, guys. Cruise. You want to come off the set and laugh? Let's come off the set and laugh. Why is everybody laughing? I just need a supportive team. That's really all I need. You finished? Nuts? Screw? Nancy? Okay, next. Okay, Emma, you have to kind of laugh after yourself.
Megan Thee Stallion.
It's the Stallions.
The Stallions.
Debbie's still laughing from Screw.
Oh, God, I cannot. Where is Nefri? I'm hoping he's watching. Thank God.
Oh.
The Stallions.
We got this already.
Cannot.
White.
Okay, Betty White.
White.
At the White House.
Yes. That's the last one?
Wow.
Okay.
I wonder if Professor Nuts watches this show.
Well, if he doesn't, he's going to hear about it.
Kim Possible.
Kim.
And the Kims.
I like Kim Possible pants.
Right?
Nice,
no vibe. Cute. I think they're in now in terms of
They are.
They're in style right now.
Cliff.
Hey. Go Simma, you're back.
No. I actually am about to leave. You're going to finish the show by yourself. because the screws in my head are clearly quite loose this morning.
Oh,
I need to go and
gosh.
fix my nuts and bolts. And that,
one of
yeah,
the screws
because
are
I'm a yam head. That is a yam. That is,
Coco Chanel.
that is
Okay,
a yam.
it's a Coco.
No, I'm saying it's a yam
No,
because
small.
I'm a
You know,
yam.
there's a little person right now watching this TV and say, Mummy, this a yam? Oh, you tell me it's a Coco? The Cocos. Coco Chanel?
Yes.
And the Coco.
Quite so. You would know
Do
that.
you eat
brand.
it?
Coco? I don't like it.
Really?
Pooh. Winnie.
Oh.
Winnie
the
Harlow
Winnies.
and Winnie the Pooh. Or it could be Honey because she's a sweet girl.
Ooh, she's gorgeous.
Right there.
Beautiful Jamaican
Winnie
girl.
the Pooh. Winnie the, remember the song? Everybody's waiting here at Pooh Corner. Dada!
Oh, go hug him up, Simma. Aww. The daddies.
This is
That's
my
the daddies, right? Okay, cool. I'm hoping that's the daddies. Simma, you know the answer, right? Or it's just daddy?
This actor
The Clarks.
is Clark.
Gotcha.
Clark.
Okay, we soon come back.
Gable?
Simma is having a
Clark?
moment, guys. Stay with us. I'm gonna fix my screw.
Daddy, this is a good thing my father teach me
Soon come
value.
back.